Picture this. Your favorite necklace suddenly breaks, or the once sparkling engagement ring you cherish now looks a bit dull. The last thing you want is the stress of searching for a trustworthy place to fix it. Whether you are dealing with a minor clasp issue or need to restore a family heirloom, finding expert jewelry repair services in Arcadia and the San Gabriel Valley is essential. Thankfully, this area is filled with talented professionals who understand how important your jewelry is and have the skills to bring it back to life. In this article, we will walk you through your options for repairs, what to look for in a specialist, and how to use helpful search terms like jewelry near me, Arcadia jewelry repair, and jewelry repair around me to find the right shop for your needs. Why jewelry repair services are so important. Jewelry is not just metal and stones. It holds deep emotional meaning, marks milestones, and often gets passed down through generations. When something breaks or dulls, waiting too long to fix it can make a small issue worse, turning a simple repair into a major one. If you are located in Arcadia or the greater San Gabriel Valley, you are in luck. Many local jewelry stores specialize in repairs and provide expert service with a personal touch. You can begin your search by looking for the nearest jewelry shops or browsing for jewelry repair around me. Common jewelry repairs offered by local shops. Once you start looking for Arcadia Jewelry Repair Shop or jewelry stores in Arcadia, you'll discover a long list of available services. Here are some of the most common ones: ring resizing, chain or bracelet repair, clasp replacement, stone tightening or resetting, polishing and cleaning, watch battery replacement and minor repairs. Pearl restringing, a top-rated Arcadia jewelry repair shop, will not only restore your items, but also give you helpful advice on how to maintain them moving forward. How to choose the right jewelry. Repair specialist. When searching for jewelry repair in Arcadia, look for these key qualities. Experience and training. Choose a shop with experienced jewelers. Bonus points if they are certified by the GIA or other respected industry organizations. Great reviews and reputation. Check online reviews for jewelry stores in Arcadia. Customers often mention how well repairs were done and how they were treated during the process. Clear communication. Look for transparency. A great jeweler will clearly explain what needs to be done, how much it will cost, and how long it will take. On-site repair services. Some jewelry stores in Arcadia send repairs out to third parties. Whenever possible, go with a store that handles everything in-house. It is faster and safer for your valuable pieces. How to search for jewelry nearby. When you need a quick fix, time matters. Searching for terms like jewelry near me, Arcadia jewelry repair, or jewelry repair around me is one of the easiest ways to find the right service. Use Google or Yelp to explore top-rated shops in your area. If you are based in the San Gabriel Valley, searching for jewelry in Arcadia will show you some of the most respected stores. These shops often serve nearby cities like Monrovia, Pasadena, Temple City, and San Marino too. Why local jewelry stores are a smart choice. Big retail chains and online services might look convenient at first, but local jewelry stores offer a level of personal service that can't be matched. Local jewelers in Arcadia are part of the community. They know their customers by name and take pride in their work. When you visit a neighborhood store for jewelry in Arcadia, you get one-on-one time with knowledgeable jewelers, a chance to share the story behind your piece, personalized recommendations and solutions options for custom repairs or upgrades. So next time you type in jewelry stores in Arcadia or nearest jewelry online, consider visiting a local favorite known for honest work and skilled craftsmanship. Tips to keep your jewelry in top shape between repairs. Jewelry care at home can make a big difference. Here are a few simple tips to protect your investment. Remove rings when doing chores or working with chemicals. Store each piece separately to avoid scratches. Keep jewelry away from perfumes and hairsprays. Schedule professional cleanings at least once a year. With these habits, your jewelry will stay beautiful longer. But when damage does happen, your next step should be finding a reliable Arcadia jewelry repair shop. Why Dorano jewelry is the top choice in Arcadia. When you want high-quality jewelry repair in Arcadia or anywhere in the San Gabriel Valley, Dorano jewelry stands out. We are trusted by the local community for our dedication to craftsmanship and friendly, knowledgeable service. Dorano jewelry offers a wide range of services including ring resizing, chain repair, gemstone resetting, and more. Our work is done on site, so you do not have to worry about your jewelry being sent elsewhere. This means faster service and greater peace of mind. Whether you are looking for simple maintenance or need help with a major repair, Dorano Jewelry delivers expert results. The next time you search for jewelry repair around me, jewelry stores in Arcadia, or jewelry in Arcadia, make sure Dorano Jewelry is at the top of your list. We have spent years building trust with our customers and have the skills to back it up. For dependable jewelry repair with a personal touch, Dorano Jewelry is the name to know in Arcadia and the surrounding areas.